Now we will find the electric potential at any point. Let capital Q is the source charge, and at the infinity charge Q naught is present. Let the charge Q naught is moved from infinity to a point A, and this point lies inside the electric field of the charge Q. Now distance between charge Q and A, this is x. According to Coulomb's law, we can write F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into charge Q into Q naught upon x square. Now at the point A, charge Q naught is there. The charge is moving from point A to B. This is small displacement dx. Charge particle is moving from A to B, and electrostatic force of repulsion is away from the point A. Therefore, small amount of work done will be done. dW, this is equals to F dot dx. Now we can write dW equal F into dx into cos 180. Cos 180 is because direction of motion of charge particle is from A to B, and the direction of electrostatic force of repulsion is opposite to the direction of motion, so angle will be 180 degree. Now we can write dW equal F into dx cos 180 minus 1. Now we can put the value of F. dW equal minus F is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q into Q naught upon x square into dx. Now from here we can write dW equal minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q into Q naught x minus 2 into dx. Now integrating dW equal minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q into Q naught x minus 2 into dx. Let the charge particle is initially at infinity, and it will move up to the point P. The distance from source charge and the point P, it is small r. So now integrate within the limits. This is infinity to r. Now we can write W equal minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q into Q naught x minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 infinity to r. W, now we can write W by Q naught minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q x minus 1 upon minus 1 infinity to r. Minus minus will be cancelled. W by Q naught equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q x minus 1, we can write 1 upon x infinity to r. W by Q naught equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q. Apply limits 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. According to the definition of electric potential, we know V W by Q0. Therefore V equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q upon r. So electric potential at the point P will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into capital Q upon r. If the source charge is positive, electric potential will be positive, and if the source charge is negative, then electric potential that will be negative. Our next topic is electrostatic potential at any point due to electric dipole at the point A minus q charge, at the point B plus q charge. This is electric dipole. Distance between the electric dipole is 2a. We have to find the electric potential at the point P. It is at the distance r from the center. Let theta is angle made by the electric dipole moment with the point P. Let distance between the point A and P is r1. Distance between the point B and P, this is r2. Now we know electric dipole moment P is equal to, this is q into 2a. Now electric potential at point P due to minus q charge according to the relation 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is minus q charge and the distance between the point A and P is r1, so it is minus q by r1. Electric potential at point P due to plus q charge. Now at the point B plus q charge, distance between the point B and P is r2, so V2 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into q by r2. Total potential V equal V1 plus V2. Now we can write V equal 1 by 4 pi, value of V1 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus q by r1 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is q by r2. Now we can take out common 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into q. Remaining will be 1 by r2 minus 1 by r1. Now we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into q. Take LCM r2 r1. This is r1 minus r2. Now by using geometry we can write r1 square equal, this is distance r1, distance r, and between the point A and O, this is distance A. So r1 square equal r square plus a square plus 2ar cos theta. Now we can find r square common. r1 square equal to r square common, 1 plus a square by r square plus 2a by r into cos theta. Now a by r is very small term, a square upon r square, that will be very small, so we can neglect a square upon r square. So remaining answer will be r1 square equal to r square 1 plus 2a by r into cos theta. Now we can write r1 equal r into 1 plus 2a by r cos theta power 1 by 2. Taking reciprocal, we get 1 by r1, 1 by r into 1 plus 2a by r cos theta. This is power minus 1 by 2. Now similarly, r2 square equal r square plus a square minus 2ar cos theta. Now take out r square common, 1 plus a square by r square minus 2a by r cos theta. Similarly, a square by r square is very small, so it will be neglect. Now we can write r2 square, this is r square, 1 minus 2a by r cos theta, or r2 is equal to r 1 minus 2a by r cos theta power 1 by 2. Taking reciprocal, we can write 1 by r2, 1 by r, 1 minus 2a upon r cos theta power minus 1 by 2. Yes, in the relation, this is equation number first. Potential is 1 by 4 by epsilon 0 q r1 minus r2 upon r2 into r1. Now we can put the value of r1 and r2. Now total potential 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into q, this is 1 by r2 minus 1 by r1, v equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into q, value of 1 by r2, this is 1 by r, 1 minus 2a upon r cos theta minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by r1 is, value of 1 by r1 is 1 by r into 1 plus 2a upon r cos theta power minus 1 by 2. Now after solving this, we get here v equal q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into r. Now we can write by using binomial theorem 1 plus 2a upon r cos theta. Take out 1 by r common, we have taken, so minus 1 plus 2a upon r cos theta upon 2, it will be cancelled, upon 2 it will be cancelled, so v is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon 0, 1 and 1 will be cancelled, so it will be remaining 2a cos theta upon r. Now we know dipole moment P, q into 2a, this is q into 2a, v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square into P cos theta upon r square. This is the electric potential at the point P, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r square into P cos theta, or we can write it as v equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r square into P vector dot r cap. This P vector dot r cap, this is equals to P cos theta.